All right, welcome to sandospromo.com. Today I'm at Sandos Caracol Eco Resort and I'm learning how to scuba dive. And wow, we're in the pool and this was an eye-opening experience. Was this fantastic? I had all these fears and preconceived things about scuba diving. First off, it is fantastic. It is not hard to breathe through one of these. The first thing you realize is your fear of swallowing water. But not just water, but, you know, saliva, everything. How do you swallow with this thing on? But it's absolutely really easy. And after about 3 minutes of practice, you'll be like, wow, it is that easy. And so you got to learn how to swallow a little bit of water in your mouth to keep your mouth kind of wet and your throat wet. Otherwise, you get like dry, you feel dry. But it is possible to swallow. And then the other thing is to panic whether or not, you know, if you lose it, you know, how do you fetch it? You know, and it's actually quite easy. You just kind of reach down along your leg and swoop back and it will be there almost every time. And then if you really, really panic, there's a buddy thing here that you could freak out and grab, I guess. I didn't try that yet, but that's really a buddy for somebody that, like an emergency thing for another diver, right? And so almost out of air here, but I want to like take a second and just practice my little things. So we were a couple little things to note: clearing the mask and whatnot, and actually clearing your mouth. So I'm going to go under the water, take a breath, go under the water, then I'm going to put this in my mouth. I'm going to clear my mouth. I'm going to take a breath or two. I'm then going to slide the mask down on my face with the water all in it, and I'm going to clear the mask, and then I'm going to give the okay. Oh yeah, and that's my little test of skill, I guess. And that was the hardest part of this whole thing, is learning how to do those couple of things. All right, let's have at it. So deep breath.